That worked out perfectly, guys. So again, the idea there, and we waited for it. That's the key. We were looking at getting over, right? We were looking at getting over 444 and 3/4. So we were talking about getting over 445. That was going to be my entry. I wanted to see it visibly break 445s. As soon as this candle shot up very quickly. As soon as it broke out through the 445s, I got filled at 46 and a half. And then it pulled back, right? And I tried to do my best at explaining that this pullback that you're looking at here is nothing more than a retest, right? We broke and closed over the daily 5. We're still holding that breakout trend line. We're still holding that daily 5. I try to do my best in drawing that red box, showing you guys where I would get out of this position and it would make me feel uncomfortable if we started to lose that red box. So I'm looking at that red box as support. It's pulling back down a few points. Like I said, entry price was 46 and a half. Was down a couple of points there. Next candle opens up and it just gives you one of those things that the market likes to do. It just explodes, right? Had a 15-point take profit. It just got filled, right? So again, nice move there from getting in over the 45s with a spike all the way to 72, guys. All the way to 72. So that was a 30-point move from entry, right? From entry. So again, Jeremy, if you're still in one micro here, you're definitely not letting this fall below 45s, okay? So right now, our stop loss is exactly at break even. If it wants to run, let it run, but we are not losing any money on it. We have already made money on it. Definitely just manage it. And if it goes up a little bit more, hell, take your gains. But great trade there, guys. For those of you guys that did, sit and be patient. Again, remember, let me make sure my stop sell order. I did have a stop sell order here just in case the market wanted to get weak below those 400s. That never came into play. It was just a successful back test. See how this was a successful back test right here of this 20 SMA? Did give us an opportunity to say, hey, if we did lose the 20 SMA, maybe we've got some room down. So I definitely wanted to protect myself here by having, a short ready to go. Market decided to pop. Great. Our original idea of that long over 45s came into play. This is a perfect example here. You guys should probably screenshot it on your charts of a break and retest confirmation of a break of, a daily high or a daily level of, supply, which in this case was your daily 5 SMA, and that could be things as, previous day high. It could be a, daily 10, daily 20, doesn't really matter what level it is. Anything macro is gonna hold some weight there. But yeah, good, very good trade there, guys. Very good trade there. Good patience.